Welcome back, friends. I'm Miss Robinson and it's time to learn. Today, we're going to learn how to identify the sound of E. E is a vowel and it makes two sounds. Sometimes it makes a sound like this, F, F, F. And sometimes it makes a sound like this, E, E, E. The reason why it's so important for us to know our letter sounds is because knowing the sounds of letters is going to help you to become a good reader, writer, and speller. Today, we're going to read a very special book called The Enormous Elephant Show. The reason why this book is so special is because it's filled with words that begin with the letter E. So listen carefully, because when I'm done, I'll ask if you can identify any words that begin with E. The Enormous Elephant Show, written by Liza Charlesworth. Illustrated by Nadine Bernard Westcott. Elvin the elephant is waiting backstage. To start his show, just turn the page. Elvin the elephant makes an E out of eels. Elvin the elephant tosses eggplants to seals. Elvin the elephant does excellent dives. Elvin the elephant bakes elderberry pies. Elvin the elephant pulls an elk from a hat. Elvin the elephant sends emails to his cat. Elvin the elephant models elegant clothes. Elvin the elephant skates with eggs on his toes. Elvin the elephant climbs evergreen trees. Elvin the elephant eats a mountain of peas. Elvin the elephant exercises with a cow. Elvin the elephant takes an enormous bow. Now, how many things can you find that begin with the letter E? I see an exit sign. I see eggplants. I see eels. I see an elk. I see eggs. I see Elvin the elephant. How many things can you find that begin with the letter E? All right, that's our story for today. I hope you learned something about the letter E, and I'll see you next time. Bye. With Miss Robinson.